Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you a survival skill. It's going to be how to make paper toilet roll when it comes down to it into 2 rolls.
Inflation! Fight inflation!
When you have just a little bit left. Alright, so let's go ahead and show you. You're going to get some sticks off the ground. So, well, this isn't necessary. But then, what you're going to want to do is you're going to notice it's 2-ply. So you're going to want to split it into, so it's 1-ply. And then, just to make it easier, it's quite windy, so definitely need to survive. Alright, I don't care if it gets dirty now. See how I'm making a new roll with this toilet paper? Anyways, you get the point.
But in case you don't, here I am doing it again with a little bit of assistance.
Just keep rolling it like this, and then you'll have 2 toilet papers in the end. 2 toilet paper rolls. And this is a wilderness survival skill. So go ahead and try this at home, because we're fighting inflation. Fighting inflation, fighting inflation, fighting inflation, fighting inflation.